Hello, today we'll be solving this math problem, which is about surface area of prisms. Today we'll be solving the prism shown on the left. To start off, on the right side, in the circle, we have all the equations, and if you want, you can check those. Alright, let's begin. First of all, we have to find the perimeter and the base area. The perimeter and base. Alright, so the perimeter of this rectangle is, let's take as this base as the example. That would be 16. And then the base area would be 15. Okay, next we would find LA. So LA equals P, which is perimeter, 16 times height, which is H, 10. So LA equals 160. Alright, now the last step, which is the surface area, is SA equals to LA plus 2B. So that would be SA equals to 160 plus B times B2, which is 15, 2. Then that would go as SA equals to 160 plus 30. And then you get our answer as SA equals to 190 cube squared. Okay, that's how you solve the rectangular prism surface area. Bye.